Yeah, buddy. Let's go check out and see what's going on around here. I like my phone because I can use my phone to do the camera. Yeah, buddy. So hopefully this works out good. I don't use this GoPro enough. So I hooked up my mic to it today so we can kind of see how it actually works with the wind and everything on the bike. You know, I'd like to start riding my bike more and do more things on it. My buddy that I'm supposed to ride with, yeah, he's always got other things to do. You know, we're supposed to ride together today, and he's messaged me and says, yeah, well, yeah, we can go riding, but I got things to do first. Well, how about we just make it for next weekend so you can get those things to do, get them done. You know, I got things to do too. Uh-oh. Sorry, school. But yeah, you know, I mean, bought this bike to ride. Had it for what, 2 years now? Got 100. Well, nope, that's the trip. I don't know. Probably got less than 1,000 miles on it. I don't think I should be playing with this while I'm riding. But anyhow, it's you know, got another gentleman, a YouTube gentleman that he likes to ride and stuff like that. But he's out of town this week, and we'll get together and ride sooner or later. But yeah, I'm ready to rock and roll, man. I'm ready to do some riding and do something. Bought the bike, I enjoy it. I like riding it, you know. I mean, I'm actually a car guy, you know. But I like my motorcycles. I rode, you know, when I was a kid growing up, I rode the trails and stuff my whole life, you know, as a youngster. And I still like to ride and rock and roll. Uh-oh, they got something going on here. Looks like a barbecue at Blue Sky. Yeah, buddy. You know. Get out and go for a ride. Yeah, and I guess, you know, from the looks of it, and the other YouTuber, I guess there's a couple YouTubers that ride around here, you know, downriver area. So, hey, that'd be cool if we could get together, go out, take a ride, maybe get some lunch or something. I don't know. There's always something to do. You just got to get out and do it. And I used to love to fish and hunt and everything like that, but it's just like I don't really care for doing it anymore, you know. I guess your things that you like doing changes after a while. Motorcycles, I love motorcycles. I've been, you know, like I said, when I was growing up, I had them. I had YZs and RMs and KXs, and yeah, I had a lot of bikes. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. What worries me most about riding these bikes is when these people fly up on your backside. You know what I mean? I ain't got nothing to protect me. They're full metal jacket. I'm doing 35 miles an hour, and this asshole's getting closer and closer to me. Yeah, no. I guess maybe because he's in a truck, he owns the road. Well, he wouldn't like that if I did that to him. Yeah, man. Let's get over here. There's a little trail that, you know, we used to ride on years ago. I used to take the kids over here in their four-wheelers and stuff. But then I quit going over here because, you know, it's the same trail every single day. You know what I mean? Yeah, downshift this baby like a hot rod. So, but yeah, it's, you know, live and love in LA. It's a nice truck. Sure is. I know there's some trails back that way. The last time I rode those, some old dude called the police on me. He didn't like me being back there. Me and my son. But then again, you know, those were those crazy ass four-wheelers. Yep. Nice day to cut the grass. Nice, and had a nice breeze, and maybe that guy ain't that close. Either that or he backed off some, but he seemed like he was a lot closer on the other street there, on the other road. Take a little ride down here and see if this is still. Somebody been back here riding, ain't they? Yeah, somebody back here tearing it up. Birdie, 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 birdie. Birdie, birdie. Got those boysenberry trees back there. Oh, somebody blocked this off. They did that on purpose. Why would they do that, you know? Either that, no, it must have fell over and they cut it, but they didn't finish cutting it. Who knows? Somebody been back here drinking a few beers. Got that berry tree there. That's why those birds are back there. Make sure there ain't nobody back here. I'm going the wrong way. Get beat up by trees. It is kind of sandy back here, and these tires ain't that great in the sand. I'm going to tell you that right now. Somebody back here dumping. Well, I mean, the nice thing about it is we can come back here, and me and my buddy, when he decides he wants to ride, you know. Yeah, man. Why do people got to come out here and dump? I just don't get it, man. Makes everybody else look bad when they come out here, you know what I'm saying? Actually, this is a good little track to get your skills built back up, ain't it? So that's where the trail just come through there. Yeah, there's billboards. Highway's over on the other side there. Through here. What are those trees called? Like boysenberry trees or something like that? Whoop-de-doo! Like I said, we used to bring the kids back here years ago on their four-wheelers when they were young. They're not so young anymore, and neither am I. Woohoo! Yeah, this place is right by my house, so it's pretty cool. So my buddy, he, like I said, when he decides he wants to ride, we'll I bring him out here. We can rip it up, baby. I ain't ripping up nothing. Nope, I'm just gonna come out here and have fun. Yeah, buddy. Woo! That's where these tires suck at, right there. That sand. Yeah, man. I almost bit the dirt. That's all right. We learn by our mistakes. So when I fall and bust my butt, I know not to do it again, right? We'll take a trip around this way. When I was a kid, I could hit those things and not even touch the bottom of them. Well, guess what? I ain't a kid no more. You know, they say when you've done something your whole life, you can just get back on and do it. Well, somewhat that's true and somewhat that's not. Because I can do it, but I can't ride like I once could. Haha. Maybe I need some training wheels. Yeah, buddy. Oh, wow, this is a nice berm here. I'll be honest, I'd rather ride on this than any street, any day, any week. You know? Gotta be careful standing up down here because some of these trees will some of these trees will knock you off the bike. So have fun and games till somebody gets hurt, then it's hilarious. I can definitely dig this. I like it. Well, let me get out of here and yeah, buddy. Dead end. I think we might want to go this way. It's been a long time since I've been back this road. Yeah, it's all fun and games. If somebody gets hurt, then it's hilarious, right? Well, I sure hope that this mic is helping. You know, but boy, what a beautiful day, man. If you're gonna go for a ride, today is the day to go for a ride. That's for sure. I never have any luck watering my lawn. Every time I water, it just gets drier. You know, kind of like the sun burns it. So if I water my lawn, I like to water it at night. But most of the time, I just wait for the rain because grass, you know, weather like this, when it's dry, grass goes dormant, you know. So, yeah, buddy. So that little trail, that's real close to my house. And like I said, there's another one over here by the railroad tracks. We used to ride all the time, but last time I was on it, some gentleman called the police on me. And we just never went back, you know. Nice looking Jeep. Good day to get lost. That's what that sticker means, huh? Nice and sunny day to get lost. Nice little bike trail they made here. Well, I sure hope you guys can hear me okay. That wind is kind of hard. Let's see. Let's try that and see what happens. Shut her down. Shut her down. Got an itch. is my old neighborhood. This is where I raised my kids over here. When I moved over to the other house, they were pretty much grown. Hey, look it, there's my kind of car. Mustang Celine. Nice, nice. So much fun, so much fun. Look at that pretty puppy. Oh boy, that's a good looking Doberman, ain't it? Huh? Sure is pretty. Somebody burning some leaves or something. Yeah, I see the smoke up over there. Superior Street. There's actually trails back here, but people don't like you back there. They say we make too much noise. I get it. You get older, you don't tolerate things as good. At least that's, you know, how I feel. I mean, the older I am now, I just don't tolerate things the way I used to when I was younger. Well, noise and stuff. I never could tolerate much of anything else. My wife says that now that I'm older, I'm nicer. Take right over here behind the school. There's some trails back here too, but they're all pretty much cut up. I'd probably need to take the four-wheeler back there and ride around and see how things look back there. I wonder if this school ever sold. I know they were trying to sell the property here, so I wonder if it ever sold. There used to be a lot of baseball games going on here. Boy, I tell you, old COVID messed up everything. It really did. And I really have a funny feeling about it because I really think our government was behind that 100%. You know, I think our government is trying to ruin us, and it scares me more than anything. Yeah, I like this. Let's do some parking exercises back here in a grown-up parking lot. Let me get right here and cut this off. I'm gonna head home to the house and see if the wife and the girls are back yet. My handy dandy phone. Yeah, buddy. Well, we've been on here for about 24 minutes, so hey, guess what? Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll be back in a minute. I had to say, today was a great day to take a ride out on a bike. Some trails that I rode before, I went back to them and rode those today. My buddy, he was supposed to go ride with me, so hopefully we'll go next Sunday or something like that and take a ride, as long as there ain't no cruises or anything, I don't believe, and have some fun. So, guys, appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. Thanks for going along with me on the ride. Have a great rest of your day, and happy 4th of July. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Yeah, buddy.